Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yo, y'all see the do-rag, bro. I ain't never bought a do-rag in my life until today. We got the light skin face, bro. Hey, y'all see me wearing this hat all the time? I normally wear this hat. And most of the time, bro, I just got an afro. I got a flat top. Today, we moving different, bro. We moving different. Hold up, bro. I'm feeling my, bro. Yeah, I don't know how many mirrors I have looked through today. I went places I didn't even, need to be. Bro, I'm feeling myself today, bro. Hey Siri, can you play Chris Brown, No Guidance? Little baby and I'm baking. No, not bad, but the waking. Cause love you more than me, you're perfect. Baby girl, you got it, girl. You got it, girl. You got it, girl. Oh, I don't wanna. I'm going to hit every club. Bro, this weekend I'm going out, bro. I'm flexing. Shout out to the African hair salon that I went to, bro. She did an amazing job, bro. The barber I went to, Dr. Hicks, bro. You would have go for real, bro. You did an amazing job. Oh, this shit clean. Hey, bro, let me call some friends and see what they think. Nah, but what's your thoughts? Yeah, I try to switch it up because I always go for the afro. So I was like, let me try like a new style.
Fuck, dude, this is actually me. This suits you, bro.
Damn, appreciate it. What would you give it like a rating out of 10?
Fuck. I feel like 8 or 9 easily. Just how clean it is, bro. It's clean, like 10 even, bro. It's so clean.
What's your thoughts on the braids?
Oh, bro, they look sick as fuck, bro.
Out of 10, what would you give it a rating?
10 out of 10, bro. 10 out of 10.
Every mirror like I walk past, I'm like, yo, I gotta see it again.
Yo, not hard, hard. That looks sick.
Nah, bro. I just called you to show off.
Oh, shit.
Bro, what's your thoughts?
No, fuck me, bro. It's nice.
I'm making sure this weekend, bro, I'm going out.
Go hard, bro. Go hard.
Bro, if I don't get any ladies, bro, something has to be wrong.
What up?
Hey, trips that you plan for the next whole week. That's too long for a nigga so cheap and your flex so D, your sex so D. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl.
You got it.
Yeah, pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line on mileage.
No, but what's your thoughts?
Bro, it's tough. It's tough. I like it, bro. It's tough. Straight up. It's probably your best haircut you've had ever.
Yeah, I had to switch it up. I had to come correct. What would you give it a rating out of 10?
I'll probably go. Probably a 9. It's tough. The fade's clean. The braids are clean. It looks good.
Damn, bro, I'm making sure that this week I'm hitting constantly.
You making sure everyone's going.
Bro, I'm going to places that I don't even have to be. Even if I don't want to buy anything, I'm gonna make sure I'm just gonna walk across.
Nah, Hey, do all your errands, bro. But the fade is crazy.
At least, bro, I got a better hair than y'all from now.
Nah, that's crazy. Oh, that's facts. You actually like look clean. Like I feel like even on job interviews, like you just look mad clean. You can work for like whatever clothing store you want.
And it took about an hour.
Fuck. Yeah, that's me next, bro. That looks sick, man. Yeah, dude, you look like a whole new person. Look at this nigga. I'm scared I can't even bring my girls around you, bro.
Bro, I missed the stereo girl. Bro, if you invite me to any parties, bro, I guarantee, bro, she'll be leaving home. She'll be leaving with me.
Yeah, this is why I can't have that, man.
Yeah, bro. What would you give it a rating out of 10?
But I honestly gotta give it 11, bro. 11 out of 10.
Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long from niggas so cheap and your flex so D and sex so D. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it.
Oh, that,
Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got it, pretty, now you got
oh, that shit funny. Oh, that. My man hung up the phone. Oh, that's it. Hey, and subscribe. And subscribe.